Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alawiyah binti Ahmad Sabri and I'm going to present about my research study entitled The Role of Technology Tools in Digital Marketing Towards the Recognition of Brand Reputation. Dust and Winner in 2019 said that digital marketing is an ever-evolving, multidisciplinary domain, not confined to a simple application of electric technology to marketing, but also able to advance with nascent development in information and communication technology tools. And platform research findings have confirmed that customers positively relate to brand reputation, and this affects the perception of service performance and benefit said by Brody in 2019. Digital marketing is essential to all brands as we live in a technological era where all things are viewed online. Next, I will talk about problem statement. Digital will not only help with the execution of marketing strategies, but also improve the company's and brand's overall performance, said by Ed in 2011. Although the semantic web has existed for more than a decade, said by Burns in 2008, it remained difficult to precisely define which technologies it incorporates, mentioned by Rizzotti in 2010. Marketing ability to demonstrate proof to its influence so company performance remain unclear. Based on the issues facing on digital marketing, the researcher found that more enhancement needed to be revealed to customers and also to the employees in the company. There are three research questions in this study. First, is there a correlation between the roles of technology tools in digital marketing variables? Second, is there a dominant roles of technology tools in digital marketing variables causing the recognition of brand reputation? And lastly, is there a significant relationship between the roles of technology tools in digital marketing and the recognition of brand reputation? There are also three research objectives. First, to analyze the correlation between the roles of technology tools in digital marketing variables. Second, to determine the dominant roles of technology tools in digital marketing variables causing the recognition of brand reputation. And lastly, to indicate the significant relationship between the roles of technology tools in digital marketing and the recognition of brand reputation. The independent variables is digital marketing, and under it has three variables that are social networking, social media business, and web analytics, while the dependent variable is brand reputation. All three variables has relationship with the dependent variable. Furthermore, I will explain about the research methodology. I use quantitative method. The research methods are based on the objective of the research. Then, I collect data by doing online survey in Google Form. Hence, I analyze data using the software to test the correlation of the variables. The data collection is using survey method in Google Form. The sampling are taken in Selangor. The total respondents were 193. The software that I use is SPSS software to test the correlation, the reliability, and multiple regression analysis. Now, I will explain about the results of the data collection from the survey. First, descriptive analysis. It consists of demographic data that are gender and age. In the chart, 72.5% consists of women, hence, majority is women who answered the survey. The biggest percentage for age is between 21 to 24 years old with 55.3%, while the lowest is 37 to 40 years old with only 2 respondents. Furthermore, it's about the reliability analysis. For this analysis, Combat Alpha is used to measure the reliability. All variables in Combat Alpha values are in range of 0.7 to 0.9, which are strong reliability. Therefore, this survey is reliable. Next, Pearson correlation analysis is used to measure the correlation between all variables. Based on the table, all correlations are at significant level, which is at 0.01 level. Lastly, the multiple regression analysis. R-squared is 0.398, which means the correlation strength is 39.8%. All variables has almost the same t-value as in the constant. The f-value is 41.713, which is considered as high. All significance values are less than 0.01, hence all items are accepted. The next part is the discussion on research objectives. There are 4 research objectives, and I will discuss about the achievement of all research objectives. The first research objective is to analyze the correlation between the roles of technology tools in digital marketing variables. Correlation coefficient strength are strong positive in the all research objective 1. All variables are at strong correlation strength and insignificant level. All independent variables correspond with each other. Therefore, research objective 1 has been achieved. Research objective 2 is to determine the dominant roles of technology tools in digital marketing causing the recognition of brand reputations. All variables in t-values are high. The most dominant variable is the effectiveness of social media business, that is 6.078. Hence, the research objective 2 is accepted. The third research objective is to indicate a significant relationship between the roles of technology tools in digital marketing and the recognition of brand reputation. A significant F value indicates that there is a relationship between independent and dependent variables. R squared value is high, thus there is a significant relationship. Hence, research objective 3 is achieved. The last research objective is to verify the roles of technology tools in digital marketing influence the recognition of brand reputation. Multiple regression are all in acceptable values. The t-values are close with each variables. The significant level is perfect for both social networking and social media business. Thus, research objective 4 has been achieved. Furthermore, I will explain about the discussion on research hypotheses. There are 3 hypotheses in this research. Hypothesis 1, there is a significant relationship between social networking and brand reputation. This hypothesis is accepted because the significant value is 0.000. Hypothesis 2, there is a significant relationship between social media business and brand reputation. Hypothesis 2 is also accepted because the significant value is 0.000. The last hypothesis is there is a significant relationship between web analytics and brand reputation. The hypothesis is accepted because the significant value is 0.002, which is still in the acceptable range. This research study can make contributions on knowledge, industries, and government. As in knowledge, brands are able to capture potential customers easily after knowing the technology tools in digital marketing. Next, brands are able to promote product and service using the correct technology tools. Advertisements online will go to the correct target market and target audience. The roles of technology tools in digital marketing will help brands to recognize online. It is crucial for all brands to adapt in digital world to improve their sales. For industries, health company can create portals that allow them to get patients that are seeking for the checkup online. Next, in the entertainment industry, they can use Google Analytics to measure the interaction of people who click on their advertisement online. And on food industry, they can examine social media to recognize customers' needs and wants. Lastly, for the nation, government can create a program for all business owners on steps to increase their reputation by using technology tools. And lastly, people who are interested in creating a brand or selling a product have guidance on starting the business. The recommendation for future researchers are they can find a wide range of respondents to obtain new perspectives and findings. They can also do actual experiment by interact with brands to be able to study it directly. They can also aim for targeted groups of respondents to get better understanding and able to explain the question better for the respondents, hence getting more data precision. There are also limitations while doing this research study. First, there are coronavirus pandemic. Thus, we cannot distribute the survey face-to-face. Next, it is hard to find respondents from the same cluster such as age and employment status. Next, survey was posted in social media. Thus, people might ignore it and not answer the survey. It might be difficult to understand for some people who are not familiar with the topics. Lastly, the questions are hard to comprehend and understand. Thus, maybe the respondents are not be able to answer it accurately. In conclusion, this research aims to show the roles of technology tools in digital marketing towards the recognition of brand reputation. The study objective has been achieved by using SPSS software. It shows that the roles of technology tools in digital marketing does bring recognition and brand reputation. With the research study, I hope to give guidance and aspiration for future researchers. And that concludes my presentation on my research proposal. Thank you very much.